Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to open Glassdoor account.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
To open a Glassdoor account, you can follow these steps. Firstly, launch your preferred web browser. In the address bar of your web browser, type in a URL field for Glassdoor's website. On the Glassdoor homepage, you should see options to sign in or sign up. You'll be redirected to a sign up form where you need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Fill out the required fields accurately, but for me, I choose to click Google account for a faster process. Once your account is created and verified, you may be prompted here. Just follow the prompts to complete your profile by providing additional information such as your work experience, education, skills, etc. This step is optional but recommended for a more complete Glassdoor experience. Now that your account is open, you can explore job listings, company reviews, salaries, and other features offered by Glassdoor. If you want to install the Glassdoor app,
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.